What is up, you guys? We're back. A little change up. Some of you guys probably love the Tuono. I do too. That bike is fantastic in every way. Tuono V4 was my favorite bike. But today's video is going to be on this RSV4 factory in speed white. Just wanted to kind of review it. I've only had it for 2 days and have done some things to it so far. Just wanted to review what I've done to it, how I'm liking the bike, what I plan to do to it. And yeah, I just figured I haven't seen many online yet with any aftermarket parts installed. So what was nice about my Tuono is a bunch of that stuff actually fits the RSV4. So I got I want to say lucky, but that carbon fiber that you guys might have watched in my other videos on the Tuono fits the RSV4, so that was a huge factor in my decision. But just to give you guys an idea of why I made the change too is, as some of you might know, like this colorway, the speed white, is limited. I did not want to miss the opportunity on getting this bike, especially here in Colorado. I think I could be wrong. I think we only got like 4 or 5 of them, and when I went to get this one, there was only 2 left. So now I believe there's only 1 left. It's at Imperial Sport Bikes. If you guys are interested in picking up a speed white in Colorado. But yeah, let's get into this. So far, I am absolutely in love with this bike, especially for my style of riding. You know, mountain roads, twisties. The Tuono is great in those areas, but obviously I don't think it can even compete with the RSV4 or any super sport, you know. So, or like highway city riding, I say Tuono every day. But at this point in my riding life, it's mostly just riding up to the mountains and enjoying the twisty roads that we have here in Colorado because they're so good. Anyways, what I've done so far and what I plan on doing, you can see some carbon fiber parts, like front hugger here looks so good with the gold Olins, the red and purple accents, the red wheels, which I absolutely love. It looks so good against that colorway. Same thing, that side fairing. This is all from RPM Carbon. It is pretty damn good quality. And rear hugger there, SC CRT exhaust, that also came off my Tuono. So it was super nice just being able to put that directly on this bike here without having to wait. I waited 12 weeks for that. So yeah, that was amazing. What else? Tail tidy, the NRC, which in my opinion is the best tail tidy for any super sport naked bike. It just really brings out the body lines, doesn't interrupt anything. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see. Some states might be more on you about that stuff. I haven't had any issues here in Colorado, but it looks fantastic. What else? The levers. I'm probably gonna end up changing these. These are the CRG Carbon Shorty levers. I do like shorty levers, don't get me wrong, but I just think on like this style of bike, for my preference is the full length. So I'm most likely gonna be upgrading to a Brembo master cylinder levers, both sides. Well, levers on both sides. The one I rode at the shop felt so good. And I'll turn this thing around so you can see this side in the sun too, because that carbon really hits on this side. Not much. I just got it 2 days ago, like I said. But the bike it looks so good already. That's the best thing in my opinion about the speed white, is how good it looks right out of the box. It's amazing. So better look at the red lightweight wheels. They're so good. Some of you might hate them, some of you love them. I freaking love them. Just did a tank protector there. Puig or Puig, however you want to say it. Carbon looks pretty good. I have the clear stomp grips coming for the side of the tank. I wanted to go clear so I can keep that graphic visible because it looks so good. What's coming, like I said, probably different levers. Definitely, I have to go with the Rizoma Stealth mirrors. Again, it's probably love or hate from most of you, but I think they're the best looking mirrors on any super sport. Other than the visibility, right, which is most aftermarket mirrors, what else can you say bad about them? They just look so good. That stealth mode, the ability to open and close them, the quality, they're so good. So another thing, so Rizoma Stealth, I actually just ordered a new shield. I went back and forth on what shield to do, if I wanted to go dark smoke, clear, or light smoke. Definitely doing the high bubble shield, also by Puig or Puig. I decided to go light smoke. So light smoke bubble shield should look good with the silver accents. And then also I'm gonna do the gray domino grips, gray with black writing. I think, again, it's just gonna tie in with the light smoke silver graphics, so nice. It's hard to beat black, it really is, but I think that the gray grips are gonna be such a nice accent. Let me turn this bike around, give you a shot of the other side, so you can really see what this, the chain guard and rear hugger look like in the sun. Here we go. So I think the carbon, it was nice because I already had the carbon from my Tuono, so I don't have to buy anymore, but I think if I were to buy carbon on this bike, it would be a matte finish. I do think the glossy finish looks super good, but I also love the matte black or the matte finish carbon on this bike. I've seen one from Victor Moto. By the way, I love your videos. You are awesome, man. And actually a little bit of inspiration from that bike review you did went into mine, and it's still going into mine. So Victor Moto, go check him out. He's amazing. But yeah, carbon, this is all RPM. I need to clean off that stock chain. Ugh. But looks really good. As if you watched my other video, you know the main reason I went with RPM is because of the shipping time. It came from Thailand in a week, which I'm still amazed by, as you can tell. What else for this bike? What else? And by the way, I still have the frame guards carbon and the swing arm covers carbon. I just don't know if I'm gonna put them on this bike. I think that silver with the white accents looks so good. I'll give you guys some sound clips of the SC on this bike. I'm sure you've heard it before, but it never gets old, right? Hold up. You heard the CRT. I don't even know if you can hear me, but the CRT. So good. Some of you guys like the loud pipes, some of you don't. I happen to love them, so that's obviously why I have one. Another thing that I forgot is rear sets. I am definitely getting rear sets. Just stuck between which ones at the moment. Whether I get the Bonamici, I believe that's how you say it, or I think Tac Performance, I'm pretty sure. They make some good ones. I've heard great things about both of those. So definitely getting rear sets though, most likely in black. Nothing wrong with these ones, I love them. But I do want the adjustable rear set. So yeah, here it is, guys. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please drop me a like, at least a like. Come on. I'm gonna do what I can to bring you guys some awesome content with the RSV4 factory and speed white. I would give you guys an onboard, but my chin mount decided that it wanted to come unadhered from my helmet. So just ordered a new one. It should be here soon. I'll put that back on. We can get you some onboard footage, sound clips, whatever you guys want to see. Just let me know in the comments. I appreciate the feedback. I'm super new to all this stuff, so any feedback, positive, negative, I take no offense to it. I want to build this channel into something that you guys enjoy, and by doing that I have to be open to criticism and work to get better, and as should all of you guys. Just every day, just be better than yesterday, right? It's all we can do, and enjoy our lives while we're here, because it is a blessing that we have life. So thank you guys for watching, and drop me a like. Appreciate it.